How to multiply columns in Excel. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you the methods to multiply in Excel. So let's say I have a chart like this. It's the salary chart of some employees and I need to find the total salary of all these employees. So for that, I need to multiply working hours with salary per hour. To multiply this and to show it here, what we're gonna do is click on the cell that I need to show the product in and type in equals to and type in the cell name of the numbers you want to find the product of. So for example, the name of this cell is C3. So I'm gonna type in C3 here and type multiplication sign, then write the name of this cell. So it is D3, and after you're done this, click on enter. And that's the product of these two cells. Now I want products of all these numbers. So what we're gonna do is select this column and in your keyboard press Ctrl D. It will show you all the numbers here. That's one way to multiply in Excel. Another method is similar to the first one, but it's a lot easier. So what we're gonna do is type equals to and click on the cell we need to find product of. So this, and keep the multiplication sign, then again click on the other number and then click on enter. And that's another method to do it. Just like the previous one, we need to find the product of all these numbers. So what we're gonna do is select the column and press Ctrl D. And that's it. Those are two methods to multiply in Excel. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Meet you guys in the next video.